Hey, so we recently had to refinish our basement bathroom, and we had to do this because we had water damage due to the supply line underneath the sink with a small crack in it was spraying water for probably a few days before we noticed. So would my home insurance policy pay for this repair? Did I file an insurance claim? And how can I prevent this from ever happening again? And while doing so, save some money on my home insurance policy. These are all things that we're going to talk about in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Mike Crowley, the owner of the Crowley Insurance Agency. Unfortunately, we had a mess on our hands when we did not notice that there was a small spraying leak underneath our bathroom sink in our basement. Luckily, we had a cleaning bucket underneath the sink that actually filled up with water, probably saving the basement from having more damage than it could have, as we eventually caught it and really secluded the damage just to the bathroom itself. But I want to talk about it today because there's a few important pieces. First is, would my home insurance policy pay for the repairs? The answer is yes. Your home insurance policy will pay for the repairs that a broken pipe causes, the damage the broken pipe causes, the subsequent water damage. What it does not pay for is the repair to the pipe. So keep that in mind. And also keep in mind that it is subject to your homeowner's deductible. So make sure before filing that insurance claim that the damage is greater than what your deductible is, and it's worth filing a claim. Now, was it worth filing a claim for us in our home insurance policy? No. So after we assessed the damage, between understanding what the repairs for what was damaged, we realized that what the repair cost was going to be was slightly over what our deductible was. And knowing that we shouldn't put in many home insurance claims, especially in a tight insurance market like we're in right now, it made more sense for us to pay this out of pocket rather than filing a home insurance claim. It is a great reason to have an independent insurance agent that you can discuss these things with before the claim gets filed. So we, as a household and our family, did not file a claim, even though they would have paid for the flooring, the vanity, and some of the other things that were damaged in the basement. Okay. Now, I don't want to ever have this happen again. We've already had to pay for the remodel. I don't really want to have to do it again, and I don't want to put in a home insurance claim. So we decided that we were going to install water sensors in certain areas of our house to notify us if one of these slow leaks start happening again, especially in areas that we are not constantly in. We are going to install one of these underneath the sink so that it's going to notify us through an app and let us know that we might have some water somewhere and there's a leak. I decided to go with the Moen brand, and I bought a pack of 3 of these on Amazon, which I'm going to install throughout our house. The good news about this, not only are they going to notify me the next time there's potential water, but this is also something that you can get a discount from most home insurance carriers when you have water sensors in your house, or also water shutoffs. So if you have a water shutoff that automatically shut your main supply line down, that's even better. But if you want to install these, make sure you reach out to your insurance agent to see if your home insurance carrier offers a discount for water sensors in your house. Excited to put these in because honestly, I don't really want to have to go through an unnecessary repair and remodel of a bathroom. But we're lucky enough that, again, it only caused damage to one part of the room and it did not damage the rest of the basement where a claim would have been needed. This is a great thing to talk about with your home insurance agent to see what other discounts are available on your home insurance policy that you might not be taking advantage of. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at Crowley Insurance. We'd be glad to help.